ጤና ይስጥልኝ ውድ የተከበራችሁ የተወደዳችሁ የቲጂ English and Computer for Ethiopians ፕሮግራም ተከታታዮቼ የዘወትር ደንበኞቼ እንዲሁም ዛሬ ክሊክ አድርጋችሁ ገብታችሁ የምታዩኝ የፕሮግራሙ አዘጋጅና አቅራቢት እግዘለቀ ነኝ ዌልካም ቱ ዘ ፕሮግራም እና ዛሬ እንግዲህ ባለፈው ሳምንት አፖይንትመንት እንዴት እንደሚያስተምረናል ዛሬ ደግሞ ቡኪንግ እና ሪዘርቬሽን እንዴት እንደሚሰራ ባጭሩ እናያለን በተቻለኝ መጠን እንዲገባችሁ እንግዳ አምጥቼላችኋለሁ ዛሬ ከኔ ጋራ ሲነጋገር የምታዩትን እንዴት ቡኪንግ እንደሚያደርግ እና እሱን በተቻለኝ መጠን ለእናንተ በሚገባችሁ ሁኔታ አቀርበዋለሁ እና ተከታተሉ እንግዲህ እንዲለን እንጀምራለን My today's customer he's Jeff Weston he's going to do the booking for the airlines ticket and reservation. Now we're going to see how we are going to interact.
Yes, well good morning and thank you. My name is Jeff Weston.
Welcome Mr. Weston. What can I do for you today?
I'd like to make a booking, thank you.
Alright, okay, thank you Mr. Weston. Where you would like to book?
I want to book from Brisbane to Addis Ababa.
Okay.
And I'd like to leave Brisbane on the 15th of November.
November 15th.
With
okay.
Emirates.
Okay, and when's they coming back?
I'd like to come back on December 2nd.
December 2nd. Wow, that is great. Have you been in Addis before?
Yes, I've been to Addis before.
Oh, okay, that's great. May I ask you what's your trips now? Is
I'm going as to visit family.
Wow.
Going to visit family, so I'm hoping to have a good time while I'm there.
Okay, November 15th will be on Tuesday, and they said you're coming back in December 2nd.
December 2nd.
Which is on Friday.
Oh, okay, well, that works out good.
Okay, so let me see how can I help you? Okay, I'm going to.
I'd like to travel economy.
Okay, just a second. Let me Brisbane from Brisbane Airport. Is that okay?
Yes, Brisbane Airport.
And
yes.
Addis Ababa International. Addis Ababa International. Okay. Addis Ababa. Yeah, right. And November 15th. November. How was your day so far today?
Yes, good. I've done a variety of things today. I've done some repairs around the house.
Okay.
I went out with my wife for lunch.
Wow, that's really nice.
And now I've got some more unexpected jobs to do.
Oh, okay. Is that kind of maintenance or?
Just maintenance, yes.
Wow. All right.
Work never finishes.
Okay. There is an option. You're going to fly with Emirates, you say that?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, that's great. All right, I have Emirates both in. Let me see the flight details. You're going to leave Brisbane 8:55 p.m. in the evening,
right.
November 15th.
Okay.
And you'll be in Dubai for 5:30 a.m. 16th of November.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to resume your flight from Dubai to Addis on November 16, 9:25 a.m. in the morning from Dubai, and you will be arrived in Addis 12:40 p.m. in the afternoon, which is November 16. That is the best one, and that will be economy class.
Oh yes, economy class.
Yes, and the price will be. Okay, that is. Are you happy to pay the Australian dollars or the US dollar?
Australian dollars, sorry.
Okay,
yeah.
Australian dollars. It will be zeros. Okay, this much will be the price.
Oh,
that is
okay.
the cheapest I can get you at the moment. Because you know it's November, December is a high season.
Yes, yeah,
and,
I understand that.
Yeah, it's just
that's fine. I'm happy with that price.
Is that okay?
That's the best I can do.
All right. So what I will get? Do you have your passport? And I think I have your detail because you are the
yes, I've
existing
flown
customer.
before, so you'll have my passport
yes,
details.
Yes, I have that passport details. No worries. Okay, so that would be, and if you want, but it's not cheaper, that is the best I can get you. Okay, yes, now I'm going to do the booking. Here is your flight, looks like, from Brisbane to Dubai. And that would be a 3 hours layover. So it's okay. Dubai airport is the biggest airport, so you can do so many you can do shopping, duty-free shopping. Even it's, you know, it's not even that much cheaper either, but you can enjoy yourself. Yes. And there is a lounge. Sometimes you pay for some money,
and you can use the first class lounge. Yes.
It is not a first class, but there is some lounge. Just ask the reception over there. And from Dubai to Addis, this is your flight. Will be not more than 5 hours.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, that sounds fine. Thank you very much.
Okay. Is it anything I can do, Mr. Weston?
Well, I'd like to reserve my seat if possible.
Oh, you're going to reserve your seat. Okay. Now I did your booking, your airline's ticket, and yes, well, which seat are you?
Well, I'd like an aisle seat.
Aisle seat. You said aisle seat. I have F3. Is that okay? Shall I reserve you that?
F3.
Yeah, F3, the aisle seat. Okay, in that one, F3. There is a charge involved. Are you happy to pay for, if you reserve the seat, you'll pay $9 for us reservation?
Yeah, that's okay for the reservation.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I will add up on your ticket that too. And from Dubai to Addis?
I'd like a window seat.
Okay, so your window seat, all right, and yeah, okay.
You can select whichever seat is available.
I will get you. I have D1. Okay, I have D1.
Okay, D1 sounds fine.
Okay, you'll pay the same charge. You'll pay $9 for reservation.
Yep.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay, all looks good, and let's see your flight again. Everything is in order. I booked for your airline's ticket, and I made reservation for you seats all over the way. And the return, do you want to reserve the seat, or you?
No, I'll wait until I get to Addis, and I'll do my return bookings from there.
Okay, that is a great choice, and everything is in order. What I will do, I'm going to give you the printout, your trip details, and you're going to make a payment at next door office.
Yes.
And they will give you your ticket.
Okay.
That's all you said.
Well, thank you very much. You've been very helpful.
Wow, that's great. Easy. All right, thank you for choosing us. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful flight.
I will do.
Enjoy your
and thank
time.
you very much for your help. Bye-bye.
No worries. Okay. ኦልራይት እንግዲህ በትንሹ ይሄንን ይመስላል። በተቻለ መጠን ሌስ ቶኪንግ አድርጌያለሁ። በሪል ላይፉ ቲኬት በጣም ብዙ ውጣ ውረድ አለው፣ ግን ይሄንን ይመስላል። እንግዲህ አሁን እኛ የተነጋገርነው ኤግዛክትሊ ይሄንን መነጋገር ሳይሆን ይሄንን በመሰለ ሁኔታ ነው እንግዲህ ቲኬታችንን ቡክ የምናደርገው እና ሜክ ሪዘርቬሽን የምናደርገው። አሁን ሐሳቡ የገባችሁ ይመስለኛል፣ ሳይበዛም በትንሹ። እንግዲህ በተቻለ መጠን ፕሮፌሽናል ለመሆን ጥሪ ያለሁኝ። እንግዲህ የዛሬውን ትምህርት ቡኪንግ ኤርላይንስ ቲኬት ኤንድ ሪዘርቬሽን ዩር ኤርላይንስ ሲት እዚህ ላይ ያበቃለሁ። በተመሳሳይ ፕሮግራም እስከምንገናኝ ውዶቼ ባይ